Today we're exploring the Enthalpy Interactive Calculator, which solves various thermodynamic enthalpy calculations for engineering applications. This calculator features a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options: specific enthalpy, enthalpy change, phase change enthalpy, reaction enthalpy, ideal gas enthalpy, and steam properties. For this demonstration, I'm using specific enthalpy mode. The input fields include internal energy U, pressure P, and specific volume V. Additional fields appear for other calculation modes, including mass M, specific heat Cp, initial temperature T1, final temperature T2, latent heat L, enthalpy products, sigma H products, enthalpy reactants, sigma H reactants, temperature T, steam pressure, and steam temperature. Let me walk through a specific enthalpy calculation. After entering values for internal energy, pressure, and specific volume, clicking Calculate Enthalpy generates the results. The primary result displays the calculated specific enthalpy value in kilojoules per kilogram. The secondary result shows the total enthalpy when mass is considered. These outputs help engineers determine energy content in thermodynamic systems for process design and analysis. This tool streamlines enthalpy calculations across multiple thermodynamic scenarios. Find the link in the description below.